Hello everybody, Dungeon Master 372 here, bringing you a server spawn area spotlight, I guess is what you would call it. Well, anyways, we do plan on kind of going over pretty much how to enter into our server and get yourself set up to where you start building and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right after it. So pretty much you start out on our server, new player, you'll be spawned into a room with the monitor similar to this one here. It will be asking you various questions. The first monitor you come to, though, will have a list of our rules and stuff. You'll need to make sure to read over that. Then you'll direct you to a portal, which will be connected to a room which will have a true or false statement and a couple options. You choose from one of the two options. You get it right, you move on to the next room. Get it wrong, well, you kind of suffer an eerie fate and have to start all over. Shouldn't take you too long. And, because it's pretty simple, straightforward stuff anyway. So it shouldn't take you too long to get through that. And once you get done with that, you'll spawn right here. In front of these two signs here, showing you to mind the monitor. So pretty much what you'll go do after you get here is you'll walk over here to this monitor. You will read the screen here telling you to submit a ticket using a password. You just kind of hit /ticket space and then the password, whatever that may be, whatever's listed here. And then just kind of chill out until a staff member becomes available to help you get your permissions and promote you. And once that's done, you're allowed to build on the server. So yeah, great stuff, great stuff. Make sure to check the link out here. It gives you an item or a banned list item, so that way you can see all the list of our banned items and stuff, so that way you'll know to kind of stay away from that. Otherwise, yeah, so cool stuff. So I guess what we'll go ahead and do now is kind of show you the individual builds on the server. First being our spawn area, our spawn building, which is called City Hall. Nice, cool design there. Like it a lot. So that'll eventually be our MTS station, which is MTS stands for Minecart Transit System. So they'll have that way of travel too if they would like. Our next build is our town square here. I think these little areas here are going to be used for merchant stalls, I think. We'll charge a player some of our econ money, which is called Trex, to set up a shop here and run a shop for a day or so, once a week I think, or something like that. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. We'll also have our mods. This is our mall store here. Pretty much you'll go into this mall and they'll have portals to individual shops, so you can go right directly into a shop, and they'll be divided up according to different block types and stuff. Got some rest areas here, pretty cool stuff, looking nice. Our last build I want to just kind of give you at a glance, because they don't want me to show that off just yet until it's fully finished. But that's going to be our portal hub, where all of our cool little mist stages and stuff will be set up over there. So that'll be some cool stuff to work on. So yeah. we'll be starting to expand our events a little bit. We're gonna I'll probably end up hosting a build-off contest eventually as well. And we'll start having some other stuff. We do still currently have Ender battles, and once we get set up to be able to host one of those, we'll go ahead and do that. But pretty much that's about it for our server. Please click like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description below. I will also have our server IP listed for you, so you can connect to our server should you happen to want to do so. Other than that, I think that's everything. So yeah, guys, we look forward to seeing you guys on the server. This is Dungeon Master 372 signing off. You have a good one.